Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna share with you another recipe of mine where a lot of Chinese people must have this recipe during Chinese New Year. And because Chinese New Year is fast approaching, I'm gonna share with you my own version of Acar, which is Malaysian pickles. So let's start cooking. So first of all, we're gonna blanch our vegetables. And I have the 600 ml white vinegar. I let it boil. And we start blanching our vegetable for a few minutes. So I have this long beans, 200 grams of long beans, and I cut it like 1.5 inch. Yeah. So I'm gonna blanch this one for 2 minutes. Yeah. Go inside. So now this is already 2 minutes. So I have gonna take out all this. And now you put a carrot. Same as a carrot, I also cut this size, 1.5 inches. Not too small, but not too big also, yeah? So we blanch again 2 minutes. Okay, this one is also 2 minutes. Now we're gonna So guys, all my ingredients are already cold. So first of all, I have this 1/3 cup of brown sugar. So we have to spread this one into the vegetables. You can also use white if you prefer white sugar, yeah? So now what you do is you're gonna mix this until the sugar is well distributed. Look at the color, so pretty. And before you mix your sugar, make sure that there's no liquid in it, yeah? Okay, next is, I have this 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using pink salt, but you can use whatever salt you have, yeah? Spread that one. And now, mix again. And now our chili paste, where earlier we made it. So we mix it first. and we just pour it inside. And now I have this garlic. Put in. Okay. So yummy. And I have these pounded peanuts. Actually, you can buy this in the supermarket. It's already ready to use, but for me, I prefer to use fresh one. What I did was I took half cup of peanut, the fresh one, and I toasted it. And after I toasted it, you have to pound it. Then it's more sweeter. Yeah, so you can really taste the freshness of the peanut. Yeah, so now you have to throw inside. I have the sesame seeds. So for me, I put at least half cup of sesame seeds. Yeah. This is it, guys. The best time to eat with this is overnight. That means tomorrow. After you put it in the container where you can store, then you have to put inside the fridge at least 12 hours inside the fridge. Let all the ingredients absorb inside the vegetables. Yeah. But even now, you can eat it if you want. It's very nice. Yeah, I will try. It's very yummy, sweet, sour, and you can taste peanut and the sesame. Yeah. So this is it, guys. This is the final result of my acar or Malaysian pickles. I tell you, it's really mouth-watering. It's very nice. So thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like and share and also subscribe for more yummy recipes. Bye guys!